If you want to learn Prezi quickly, the best way is to start with its built-in structure instead of trying to build everything from a blank canvas. In this video, I'm going to show you a simple, beginner-friendly way to learn how Prezi works, how the zooming presentation style flows, and how you can start editing with confidence. If this tutorial helps you, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more software tutorials just like this. Alright, let's dive in. The first thing you want to do is open Prezi and create a new presentation. When you're learning Prezi for the first time, it's a lot easier to begin with a pre-made template. That's because templates already have a structure in place, and that structure helps you understand how Prezi presentations are organized. Instead of worrying about every design decision from scratch, you can focus on learning the movement, the flow, and how the different parts of the presentation connect. Once you're on the Prezi dashboard, look for the option to start a new presentation. Choose one of the ready-made templates that matches the kind of presentation you want to build. You do not need to pick the perfect one right away. The goal here is to learn how Prezi behaves, not to create a final masterpiece on the first try. Pick a template with multiple sections or topics so you can clearly see how the presentation is laid out. After the template opens, take a moment to look around the editor. You'll notice that Prezi is different from traditional slide-based software. Instead of separate slides, you're working on one large visual canvas. On that canvas, you can place your main ideas, supporting points, images, and text in different areas. This is one of the most important things to understand when learning Prezi, because the presentation is built around movement between those areas. Now click the Present button. This is where you'll really start to understand how Prezi works. When you present it, Prezi zooms in and out between the different topics and sections on the canvas. Watch how it moves from one point to the next. This zooming effect is what makes Prezi feel different from other presentation tools. Instead of just clicking through flat slides, you're guiding the viewer through a visual journey. As the presentation runs, pay attention to the path it follows. Notice which topic appears first, which one comes next, and how the camera moves between them. This path is a major part of the learning process because it controls the order of your presentation. If the flow feels smooth, that means the structure is working well. If it feels confusing or jumps around too much, that tells you the path may need adjustment. After you've watched the presentation once, go back to the editor. This is where the real learning happens. Start by clicking on different objects and moving them around a little. You can drag elements into new positions to better understand how the layout changes. Even small moves can help you see how Prezi responds to your edits. The more you experiment, the faster you'll understand the relationship between layout and motion. Next, try adding subtopics. Subtopics are useful because they let you build out your main idea in more detail. Think of them as smaller points that support the bigger topic. As you add them, watch how they fit into the overall structure. This is a great way to learn how to organize ideas in Prezi without making the presentation feel cluttered. Now adjust the zoom paths. This is one of the most important skills to learn in Prezi. The zoom path determines how the camera moves from one section to another during the presentation. By changing the path, you can change the way your audience experiences the content. Try moving the order around, linking different objects, or updating the sequence so you can see how the presentation flow changes. As you make these edits, keep switching between the editor and the present mode. That back and forth is one of the best ways to learn Prezi because you can instantly see the result of each change. If you move a topic too far away, the zoom may feel too dramatic. If you place 2 points too close together, the transition may feel too fast or cramped. These little experiments teach you how to control pacing and structure. A great tip for beginners is to think in terms of storytelling. Prezi works best when your content has a clear beginning, middle, and end. Start with your main topic, then move into supporting ideas, and finish with a final takeaway. That structure will help your audience follow along while also helping you understand how to build better presentations. As you practice, don't worry about making mistakes. In fact, experimenting is one of the fastest ways to learn. Move things around, test the transitions, add a few more subtopics, and see what happens. The more you explore, the more comfortable you'll become with the Prezi interface and its zoom-based design. So to recap, the easiest way to learn Prezi is to start with a structured template, preview the presentation in present mode, and then return to the editor to adjust objects, add subtopics, and refine the zoom path. That simple process will teach you how Prezi presentations are built and how the motion works from one topic to the next. If this video helped you, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more step-by-step software tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.